Yoga and stretching have a wide range of physical and mental health benefits. They promote relaxation, reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, and enhance overall health. In addition, these exercises can increase muscle flexibility, improve joint mobility, and help relieve muscle tension and stiffness. Additionally, yoga and stretching can help improve posture, strengthen core muscles, enhance balance, and reduce the risk of injury. By combining various poses and deep breathing techniques, these activities also stimulate blood circulation, increase oxygen supply, and support the body's detoxification process. In addition, yoga and stretching can enhance joint flexibility and improve overall body coordination. Multifunctional Pilates bar with resistance bands designed for yoga, Pilates, stretching, fitness and other training programs. It's a versatile tool that can be used at home, in the gym, or while traveling to support a healthy and active lifestyle. Welcome to Come 4 by eShop shopping now.